Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix audio crackling in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First method is update sound driver. Second method is type mmmsys.cpl in Windows search bar, click mmmsys.cpl. Select playback device, click properties. Test one by one, select best one. Third method is type edit power plan in Windows search bar, click edit power plan. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.